Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channels. First of all, like and subscribe my YouTube channels and watch full video. Share my video with your friends. Today I discuss that the new and fresh tutorials, the retouching, healings tools in Adobe Photoshops used for the photo editing and fixing imperfections in Adobe Photoshops. Spot healing brush tools, patch tools, content aware, the move tools in Adobe Photoshops, read eye tools, clone stems tools, the pattern stems tools, razor tools, the background razor tools, magic and razor tools and Adobe Photoshops. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching and subscribe my YouTube channels.